एवरीबॉडी स्टैंडर्ड 8 सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस। आज से आपका न्यू सेशन स्टार्ट हो रहा है। ठीक है, वैकेशन फिनिश हो गया आपका। ठीक है, आज आपको मैं फर्स्ट सेम का चैप्टर 1 करवाऊंगी, अराइवल ऑफ यूरोपियंस इन इंडिया। ठीक है, आज ये चैप्टर आपको मैं रीड करवा रही हूँ, उसके बाद आपको इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर MCQs करवाऊंगी। This unit narrates for reaching effects on the Indian history on the arrival of the Europeans in India. India had been industry-dominated country since ancient time. The wealth and prosperity of India was known worldwide. The things of India like cotton cloth, muslin, spices, cinnamon, clothes, etc. Things of handicraft, saris, etc. were in great demand in European market. In place of that, sample of gold was brought into the Indian market. This brought about consecutive increase in Indian prosperity. There were crusades between Turkey Muslims and European Christians between 12th to 14th century of Jesus Christ. The Muslims won over Constantinople, which was like an entrance to Europe. This stopped European trading that went on by land. European people could not do without the things from India. Therefore, the people of Europe did desperate efforts to find new waterways to reach India. As a result, the Portuguese, Vasco da Gama, the Dutch, the Britishers and the French succeed in reaching India. Observing the weaknesses of the Indian kings, they started employing tricks. In this unit, we get information about how dangerous were the results from India as they tried to carry out soul power trading. अभी जो इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर हैं वो आपको मैं करवा रही हूँ, जो आपको करने हैं। ठीक है, Which areas to be crossed to reach India from Europe by land route? Answer है, if one has to travel from Europe to India, one has to cross Portugal, Geneva, Benias, Baghdad, Iran, Pakistan by land. Next, question 2. Which areas are to be crossed to reach India from Portugal by sea route? If one has to come to India by sea from Portugal, one has to cross Lisbon, Cape of Good Hope, Mozambique, etc. Question 3. Which mode of transportation is used maximum to travel abroad in the modern times? Answer है, today mostly generally airway or waterway is preferred to go abroad, but since waterway consume a lot of time, airway is mainly preferred. Next question 4 है, to the merchants from foreign countries seek permission to do such trade in India in today's times. Yes, today many merchants, traders seek permission for their dealings in India. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Government of India allows them this kind of permission. Next question. Had Sirza-ud-Dawla won the Battle of Plassey, what would have been its impact? If Sirza-ud-Dawla would have won the Battle of Plassey when the rule of East India Company would not have been founded in India, the Britishers would have left India for losing trade centers. Our country would not have been enslaved in India, there must have been economic prosperity and kingship. अभी इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर इनकम्प्लीट है, वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।